Formula series. My name is Sachin, and in this video, we are going to learn a new different formula that is called offset. So, let's start, guys. So, offset formula says returns a reference to a range that is a given number of rows and columns from a given reference. So it's a bit complicated to understand like what's this is trying to say, the description it is. But now jumping to the syntax part says reference, then rows, then column, then height and width. So basically this formula is giving me, not giving me, uh, it's trying to get the position of a particular cell that we are trying to reach. For example, if I'm giving the reference as student in this table, and what I'm giving the location that I'm trying to fetch here, the row that is after, for example, I'm putting the number as 2. The row that I'm trying to achieve here is after b4, like b5, b6. Now I am just want to get the row number as 2 after b4, and if I'm just shifting this column also as 1 or 2, I'm just pressing 2 so that it can be moved to two side. So 1 and 2, and for the time being we can ignore this square bracket criteria because these are non-mandatory also, and we can press enter and my expected result should be 18. And then let's see what should be my result. See, I am able to see my result is getting 18. And so this is like the normal thing of this formula. Apart from that, we can see the uses of this height thing also. For example, in this scenario only, we just want to see my result that is to be spreaded for the five numbers or five, what to say, rows. What I can do, I can simply press 5 because height is being captured in a row terms. And now you will be able to see my result has been spreaded based on the 5 cell only. If you see, from 18 to 5, I am getting like this. So this is my result that is being populated here. And in the same way, if I am want to spread this result in terms of column also, what I can do, I can simply put a number till which point I want to spread it. For example, in the same way, I am just spreading for 5 and enter, and it got spilled. Why I'm getting this spill error? Because there might be something in between. Just deleting this. Still it is not coming. So like that I can able to see my result. uh, so this is like the normal uses of this formula, like how we can put this formula and get our results. So in this table, we are having the student name, their roll number, their assignment, their term paper, mid term and all. So if we want to get some dynamic result from this table, how we can get, we can simply put this offset formula which says from this table I want a cell number b4, and from that I want a particular student name, and then student name can be fetched from this next criteria, which is this one. And by putting this match formula, we are able to see where this student has been seated on a particular cell number. For example, in this scenario, we just want to see the Marcel name, how we can get. I am trying to put this formula manually. Marcel is seated at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we can simply press add 8. And if we want to see the grade is written at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at seventh point. We can able to see my seventh point here. So how we can put formula, the match formula, we can simply put it like that. First we need to give the lookup thing, and that lookup thing should be seated in between this range. And in the same way I can give my grade one also. Grade we have already given in the k4 cell, and the k4 we can find out from this range from c4 to i4. So like that we can put this formula very dynamically, and if we want to change for Harel also or any another student, we can get our desired result very easily. And we can use this result in a very dynamic way like that also. If I'm putting a roll number, and if I want my result to be spreaded for the all criterias, what I can do, I can simply give the width number. Actually width number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I can simply put 7, and I will be able to get my result. See, the formatting here, it is different, so that's why I am unable to see my whole result. But my result got spilled. If you see, for Herald, I'm getting roll number, assignment, uh, term paper, and 26 21 and so on, so forth. So in this way we can put this formula very dynamically, and get our results in a very dynamic way. So this was all about this video, guys, and this was pretty much all from my side. And there might be couple of more things we can put, or we can use this from we can use from this formula. So hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.